All right, what's up guys? In my last video, I made a video about trying to do a Zoom lecture with no internet, and actually I had a huge fail because then I just tried to do one yesterday and it went really bad. So, you know, I probably shouldn't have made that claim, but anyway, my students were having some fun with me, and so anyway, I'm gonna make it up to you, and today is a video on how to do a one-handed surgical tie. So here we go. For the simplicity of being able to see it, and also for just so you have something to practice with, you can actually use your shoelace. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, a one-handed surgical tie. We're gonna cross our strings, lay one is like this, that's the, and then we have to alternate. I go a little faster. So that's the one-handed surgical tie using a shoelace, which is a great thing to practice with if you don't, when you're just starting out, and you can do that, and then once you get some suture, then you can start working with that. But at least with this video, you get an idea of what your hands are supposed to be doing.